How to go viral easily on TikTok. Full step-by-step guide. Going viral in any social media space does not require a particular rule of thumb. You might just do anything and boom, it's everywhere within the social media space. But the question is, how do you maintain such virality in future videos? And that is where this content that you are watching right now comes in. I will teach and show you some simple principles for you to follow before you post your videos or pictures on TikTok that will guarantee 85 to 90% chance of you going viral and also gaining lots of engagements like likes, shares, follows, and all that. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Waterfred1. So the first thing you are going to do, of course, is to log into your TikTok account. And I'm doing that right now, okay? So I'm on TikTok right now, okay? I'm on TikTok right now. And stay on home. This is home, stay on home. And on home, click on search. You will see this search button up here, okay? And then you search for Creator Search Insights. Creator Search Insights, okay? This is it. And you can see what TikTok users are searching for and get inspired to create, okay? So click on view. You can see lots of topics that people are searching for. So basically, these topics, people are searching for it, but TikTok doesn't have enough videos for viewers to consume. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah, so you can see now that for you will see best online jobs, how to make AI-generated videos, how to get followers as a new creator. Okay, now you can see 70% search popularity for best online jobs and the other ones. Okay, now you can scroll down and search for any topic that you feel you can create a content around it. Now another tip I still want to give you is if you click on this drop down arrow around for you, you can see content gap. You can see content gap. Content gap means what? Topics that are searched for often but have few relevant videos available on TikTok. Just like I said before, you can select that and filter by that, and you can see yo dance, how to be verified on TikTok, how to turn on creator tools. I need a wallpaper. You can scroll all the way down and then choose any one you want and then make content around it. You can as well click on the drop down arrow again and then select search by followers. Okay, then this way the filter is just going to search for what your followers are looking for. Okay, you will see 2011 Ford Edge pressure washing game, Willow Peak, Smart Caro, and all that. Then another extra tip you can still do is to click on this trending. Okay, and then you see what is trending generally on TikTok. This is a broader topic, and I think the more you niche down, the more you go viral. So I recommend you use the first option, which is for you and content gap or search by followers. But you can as well try this one out. Okay, click on trending. You look at the things that are trending: Amara dress, German weddings, egg chair, cuddle cut, gender review UK, whatever. When you click on the drop down arrow, you will see you can still sort by fashion. Okay. Yes, you can see the fashion, people that are into fashion. If you're a fashionista or you're into just fashion, you're going to see the things that people are searching for, okay? Things that are fashion related. You can as well click down and then you click on food. If you like food, okay, you can as well see in and out grilled cheese, Sally Boggy stick, breakfast idea, okay? A lot of things. You can scroll down, you can see healthy breakfast, a lot of things. If you like sports, like myself, you can still check out sports, okay? And then you can see things, okay, relating to sports that you can make content about. And then after making this content, you just post on TikTok. You must not have very big camera or best of lights, or you must be using an iPhone. No, you can just do this with anything that you have that is available for you for a start. Okay, yes, we know the higher quality the better, but it doesn't really mean that without a good camera or without a good phone you cannot create content. Okay, so after doing this, after creating your content, you can post with trending hashtags. Okay, just play around. There are no general rules to this, but these steps, okay, have worked for a lot of people, and I also use it. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for watching till the end. Kindly follow me on all social media platforms at Waterfred1 and on Twitter at Waterfred_1. And with that being said, I will see you in my next video.